Aloha, we're back at the Hibachi. Let's try more food. So how did you come up with all your recipes? I see there's a lot of different styles of poke there.
I like to eat. I like good food, you know. Life is way too short to be eating food that you don't enjoy. We're lucky that a lot of people like the stuff that I like. I like to keep our food just home style. Our poke it's all pop. Like we run out every day. But one of our more bigger ones has been the Thai basil and the citrus sesame. I actually made the Thai basil as just a actual special that I was going to run for like a week or something, and then
now you keep it on the menu all the time.
Well, when I actually stopped making it the following week, customers got very upset and they voiced their opinion on that decision. And so yeah, like it's been almost a year now. It's been selling.
So what do we have here?
This is our limu kukui poke bowl. This is the regular bowl, which has 2 scoops of rice. We usually put about a half a pound of poke on there.
Wow.
We also got our local boy sauce, which is basically a chili pepper shoyu. So if you like a little bit of heat to your poke, just go ahead and add it on.
The sauce is really good.
Really picks it up.
Spicy, has a little kick in it.
Yeah.
Like it. So this looks good. What do we have here?
This is our spicy Thai basil poke bowl. Again, it's the regular bowl with 2 scoops of rice. Around a half a pound on there. We also serve it with some lime wedges. I like to have people try it without lime wedge, a couple pieces, and then just kind of squeeze that lime on there. I think that lime juice really sets the flavors off.
So what is this sauce in here?
Oh, that's a secret.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's basically like a sweeter version of a sriracha mayo. It's also got some habanero masago in there.
Shall we try it?
It's got some heat to it. More in it.
It's good.
That's real nice.
I like that. That was really good. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. I had a great time.
If you're ever in Kailua or Kaka'ako, check out the Hibachi. If you can't make it to either location, then come join us at our electric kitchen and check out some recipes.